Another night broken by bathroom trips. What if 3 simple vegetables could calm your bladder and carry you straight through till morning? Welcome to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple, natural tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every single day. Remember when nights passed quietly and mornings felt fresh instead of foggy? Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, food is medicine. And tonight, we'll uncover 3 vegetables that may calm the bladder, steady circulation, and restore peaceful nights. You'll see which vegetables they are, why they work, the best way to eat them, and the habits that make them even more powerful. So stay with me, because one small change to your dinner plate could mean the difference between a restless night and a peaceful one. This video is for education only, not medical advice. If you manage prostate issues, diabetes, or urinary concerns, always consult your doctor before making changes. Let's begin with the silent problem, why nighttime urination becomes so common after 60. How many times did you wake last night to use the bathroom? Once, twice, or more? After 60, one of the biggest thieves of rest is the bladder pulling you awake, again and again. The bladder weakens, hormones that once slowed urine at night fade. For men, the prostate presses on the bladder. For women, postmenopause changes add pressure. Together, they turn nights into a series of wake-ups. It starts small, 1 trip, then 2. But soon, deep sleep disappears, and the night feels longer than the day. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, what seems like a minor nuisance at night can quietly snowball into fatigue, memory loss, and higher health risks if ignored. The good news, with the right food and habits, nights don't have to stay this way. Do you wake more from your bladder pulling you out of sleep, or from a restless mind that won't settle? Nighttime urination is not just an inconvenience, it's a hidden threat to your strength and independence. It raises fall risk in the dark. It strains the heart with every sudden rise from bed. It robs the brain of deep sleep, clouding memory. And it steals the repair time your muscles and joints need to stay strong. Dr. Andrew Weil warns that repeated sleep interruptions ripple across health, from balance to blood pressure to brain clarity. But the cycle isn't permanent. With the right foods and habits, your bladder can be calmed, and your nights protected again. Would one full night of sleep change the way your mornings feel? Your body still has quiet allies waiting to help. Celery, pumpkin, and asparagus, vegetables that calm the bladder, ease fluid buildup, and support the kidneys while you sleep. Affordable, familiar, and more powerful than most imagine. Dr. Andrew Weil reminds us, food is not just fuel, it is medicine. The right foods send signals of balance to the body, even at night. And that means the constant wake-ups don't have to control your nights. Relief may already be sitting in your kitchen. Which do you enjoy more in meals, celery, pumpkin, or asparagus? Celery is more than crunch. That crisp bite is also a gentle helper for your bladder. It helps your body release extra water earlier in the evening, so the bladder isn't pulling you out of bed at night. Its potassium balances sodium, easing pressure and keeping things calm. Dr. Andrew Weil often points to celery as a quiet regulator, a vegetable that balances the body without harsh side effects. That means fewer shuffles in the dark, and more peaceful nights that carry you straight through to morning. Do you enjoy celery best raw, in soups, or as juice? Pumpkin isn't just comfort food, it's quiet protection for your bladder. Both pumpkin and its seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral vital for prostate health in men and bladder calm in women. Zinc soothes irritation, supports hormone balance, and helps reduce the midnight wake-ups that steal your rest. Dr. Andrew Weil often highlights pumpkin seeds as one of the top foods for health, a simple snack with surprisingly powerful benefits. And whether you enjoy it as soup, roasted, or in seeds, pumpkin offers more than comfort. It offers steadier nights, calmer mornings, and the relief your body has been waiting for. Do you prefer pumpkin as soup, roasted, or seeds? Asparagus does its work quietly, helping your body stay balanced and easing fluid before the night begins. It supports your kidneys naturally, guiding extra fluid out earlier in the day. The result: fewer bathroom trips pulling you awake, and a longer stretch of peaceful sleep. Dr. Andrew Weil often points to asparagus as a gentle vegetable alive for circulation and kidney support, simple, natural, and effective. A few spears at dinner may do more than complete your plate. They may help carry you through the night, and let you greet the morning with calm energy. Do you usually enjoy asparagus roasted, steamed, or not at all? Alone, each vegetable brings relief. Together, they become a quiet shield for your nights. Celery balances fluids to ease pressure. Pumpkin calms the bladder and supports the prostate. Asparagus guides fluid out earlier in the day. One balances, one calms, one times. Together, they restore peace. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, nature works best in combinations. Foods in harmony create results that no pill can fully match. This isn't about restriction or medicine, it's about a simple plate of foods working together, so your nights stay quiet and your mornings begin refreshed. If you had to start with just one, celery, pumpkin, or asparagus, which would you choose first? Even ordinary vegetables turn powerful when you use them the right way. Add celery to salads or soups at dinner. Enjoy pumpkin roasted, blended into soup, or sprinkled as seeds. Cook asparagus lightly, roasted or steamed, never heavy or greasy. And here's the key, eat them 2 to 3 hours before bed, so your body absorbs their calm without keeping you up. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, the way you prepare food is as important as the food itself. Simplicity and timing unlock the real power. Picture the crunch of celery, the warmth of pumpkin, the tender bite of asparagus, each one sending your body a quiet signal. Rest is coming. These aren't big changes, just small dinner rituals that turn restless nights into calmer ones, and heavy mornings into lighter beginnings. Which feels easiest to add tonight, the crunch of celery, the comfort of pumpkin, or the lightness of asparagus? For decades, Dr. Andrew Weil has shared one truth: the simplest foods often heal where medicines cannot. He explains that vegetables like celery, pumpkin, and asparagus don't work by force. They work by balance, calming the bladder, supporting circulation, and letting the body slip naturally into rest. And the best part? These are everyday foods, affordable, familiar, gentle, yet powerful enough to bring you fewer wake-ups and calmer nights. Have you noticed some meals leave your body restless, while others make you feel calmer and lighter? The food is powerful, but habits decide whether it works for you. Stop drinking fluids about 90 minutes before bed to ease bladder pressure. Keep caffeine for mornings only. Take a short walk after dinner to aid digestion. Dim the lights. Your body listens to darkness as its signal for rest. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, food and habits are partners. Together, they restore balance and protect rest. When foods and habits work in harmony, the body doesn't just settle, it remembers how to rest. Which feels harder for you, cutting off fluids early, or dimming the lights before bed? Even the best foods can't help if these mistakes quietly undo their work. A big glass of water before bed almost guarantees bathroom trips. Salty snacks pull fluid into your bladder and cancel the balance of celery, pumpkin, and asparagus. And like caffeine, it keeps the heart racing and the brain awake when it should be resting. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, small nightly habits can make or break the body's natural healing. These mistakes may feel small, but night after night, they steal your rest. Avoid them, and let your body recharge. Be honest, do you catch yourself reaching for snacks or drinks after dinner? Even the simplest vegetables can clash with your health if you're not careful, but with guidance, they become powerful allies. If you live with kidney disease, diabetes, or prostate concerns, check with your doctor before changing your evening plate. For most seniors, these foods are safe. Your body may just need small adjustments. Dr. Andrew Weil reminds us, food is medicine, but the right dose matters. A quick check-in ensures food becomes healing, not hassle. Your safety is part of your strength. With wisdom, these foods work for you, not against you. Do you usually check with your doctor before trying new foods or remedies? Change comes faster than you think. By the third night, you may notice fewer wake-ups. By the end of a week, mornings feel lighter, clearer, and steadier. And by 2 weeks, sleep often feels deeper, the kind that restores your body, your memory, and your mood. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, when the body begins to heal, it doesn't take long to notice. These small, natural steps don't just change your nights, they give you back mornings filled with confidence, clarity, and energy. What would matter more to you, fewer bathroom trips at night, or fresher mornings with energy? Deep sleep doesn't need to be complicated. Your plan tonight is simple: eat one of these calming vegetables with dinner. Take a gentle evening walk. Stop fluids an hour and a half before bed. And turn off the lights at the same time each night. Simple, safe, powerful. Dr. Andrew Weil often reminds us, routines are the foundation of healing. When your body can count on them, it learns how to rest again. These small choices are signals to your body, reminders that it's safe to rest, safe to heal, and safe to sleep deeply again. Which step feels easiest for you to try tonight? After 60, bladder changes often break your sleep. But nature gives us quiet helpers. Celery balances fluids, pumpkin supports the bladder and prostate, asparagus helps your kidneys clear gently. Together, they ease the night. Dr. Andrew Weil reminds us, when you combine the right foods with the right habits, the body responds with balance. And when you pair these vegetables with simple evening habits, walking after dinner, dimming lights, stopping fluids early, your body receives a clear message: rest is safe again. Peaceful nights are not behind you. With small, daily steps, they can return, and mornings can greet you with energy, clarity, and confidence. Which of these 3 vegetables do you feel ready to add to your dinner this week? Your nights don't have to be broken by bathroom trips. The sighs at 2 a.m., the shuffle in the dark, they don't have to define your rest. Small, natural foods can bring back the calm. Dr. Andrew Weil reminds us, nature always provides answers when we choose them daily, like celery, pumpkin, or asparagus. You're not alone. Thousands of seniors like you are finding peace again, one small, steady step at a time. Stay strong, stay healthy, subscribe and join Senior Club, because your best nights are still ahead. In our next video, we'll uncover the evening drink many seniors enjoy, one that seems healthy, but may quietly disturb your bladder and steal your sleep. Don't miss it, your rest deserves protection. Thank you for spending this time with us tonight. Your voice matters here, so feel free to ask questions or share your own experiences in the comments below. Welcome again to Senior Club, your trusted place for simple tips to stay strong, independent, and healthy every day. If peaceful nights and better mornings matter to you, hit subscribe now and take your first step toward a better you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and join us again, because your next step to better health is just one click away.